Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can integrate Disqus with Webflow. So Disqus brings about robust commenting capabilities to Webflow site through multiple integration methods. While Disqus doesn't offer an official Webflow app, so when you go into the marketplace itself and you simply search for this as you can see, you will not really find it. So what can we do to actually connect it? Well, to actually implement it and to add it, you will need an embedded code. And basically to have that code, you will need to create a Disqus account and register your site in it. So go ahead to Disqus. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to go to the website. So I'm going to remove this help and click on .com. Then you click on get started. As you can see, it says not a free one. You could get a free trial, but you will need eventually to get yourself the premium version. So get started. Try for free. Create an account. Choose your Google account. Here I'm gonna click on continue, and here we're gonna write down like a password. So let's do this real quick. I'm not a robot. I acknowledge. I agree. Processing of information, etc., etc. Okay, let's choose this one and then sign up. All right, so once you have created your accounts, you have to agree again. I'm going to remove this. Here, website name. I'm going to choose, for example, here, first of all, entertainment. Here, name, tests. And let's create the website real quick. So this is like the checkout. And here, what you will receive to this page, you need to put your card in order to get your free trial. After that, you can cancel it and remove it. So there's no problem. So once you create an account and fully made it, you simply have to go back to here, go to dashboard, click on your site. And then, of course, you need the premium version of Webflow, not the free version, because you cannot add an embedded code without having the premium version. So go here, code, and add the embedded code from here. It's very simple and easy. So yeah, simply just paste it there and you will be good to go. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.